starting around 31 walk 2024 Axie Infinity most certainly is exchanging at $10.88 in term of its host rate with a value change of zone 45% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they most certainly thought. Axie truly has an all-out market cap of $1,552,884,174 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $38,823,483, which truly is genuinely critical. This generally makes Axie Infinity Axie truly positioning at 74 in the digital currency market, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Axie Infinity cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie Infinity in every way that really matters be worth in 2024 in an unpretentious way? Is Axie Infinity a very wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking? Will Axie cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an exceptionally significant manner? These are our Axie Infinity cost expectations for Axie's future, which especially is very huge. Axie Infinity Axie value expectation 2024 as per the Axie Infinity gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axie cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross an especially normal value level of $15.96, the normal genuinely least value worth of Axie Infinity toward the finish of the in every way that really matters current year ought to generally be $15.52 in a sort of huge manner. Besides, Axie can especially arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $17.49 in a sort of large manner. Axie Infinity Axie value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Axie Infinity cost for the most part is conjectured to explicitly arrive at an essentially the least cost of $10.55 in a fundamentally large manner. The Axie's cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $11.99 with a typical expected cost around $11.66 in an essentially significant manner. Axie Infinity value expectation April 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity in a real sense is fundamentally anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a sort of least worth of $11.45 in April 2024, which for the most part shows that Axie Infinity Axie value expectation 2024 as per the Axie Infinity gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axie cost explicitly is supposed to in a real sense cross a really normal value level of $15.96, the normal by and large least value worth of Axie Infinity toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be $15.52, or so they for the most part thought. The Axie cost could explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest worth of $12.57 with a very normal exchanging worth of $12.01 all through 2024, which generally is very huge. Axie value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity, especially is gauged to truly be at around a truly least worth of $12.04. Certainly further appearance how might Axie cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking extremely high in a sort of large manner. The Axie Infinity value worth can essentially arrive at a sort of limit of $13.17 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $12.49 in a fundamentally significant way. Axie value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity explicitly is determined to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $12.42 in a really significant manner. The Axie Infinity value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $13.67 with a for the most part normal exchanging worth of $12.86 in a significant way. Axie Infinity value figure July 2024. The by and large normal cost of Axie Infinity Axie could generally go to $13.38 toward the finish of July 2024, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie could generally be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $14.19 with the really least expected cost of $12.82. Axie Infinity Axie value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity generally is for the most part anticipated to basically arrive at an especially normal cost of $13.78, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $14.72 and a kind of least of $13.33, showing how this certainly makes Axie Infinity Axie, especially positioning at 74 in the digital currency market, incredibly. Axie value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity, for the most part, is determined to especially be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $13.77. Sort of additional appearance how Axies could truly be exchanging around in all things considered. Greatest worth of $14.19 with the truly least expected cost of $12.82 in a by and large huge manner. The Axie Infinity value worth can fundamentally arrive at a limit of $15.27 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $14.33 in USD, or so they really thought. Axie value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Axie Infinity in every way that really matters is estimated to explicitly be at around a truly least worth of $14.20 in a genuinely huge manner. The Axie Infinity value worth can sort of arrive at an extremely limit of $15.99 with the, for the most part, normal exchanging worth of $14.76 in USD. Further appearance how the Axie Infinity value worth can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $15.27 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $14.33 in USD, which explicitly is very critical. Axie Infinity value forecast November 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity is explicitly anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $14.90 in November 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Axie cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $16.73 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $15.35 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Axie value conjecture December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Axie Infinity certainly is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at a kind of least value worth of $15.52, which especially shows that these basically are our Axie Infinity cost expectations for Axie's future in an exceptionally huge manner. The Axie's cost could explicitly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $17.49 with a kind of typical cost around $15.96 in a sort of significant manner. Axie Infinity in every practical sense. Past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been fundamentally diminished by 134% in its kind of current worth in an especially significant manner. Assuming we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, showing the way that the Axie Infinity value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $15.97 with the typical exchanging worth of $14.33 in USD, or so they in a real sense thought. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the Axie was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 525%, exhibiting how Axie Infinity past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been explicitly diminished by 134% in its genuinely current worth in a very significant manner. Axie Infinity in a real sense has shown areas of strength for truly of potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie Infinity value estimate 2024 facts. What will fundamentally be Axie Infinity pretty worth in 2024, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Axie's cost, for the most part, is determined to generally arrive at an